Hello, my friend. Welcome to your 5-minute meditation. The name of today's practice is soft focus, and it will be a very fun visual practice that we can do together that will help calm us down, center our attention, and get us ready for whatever is next. And it all begins with a little story. So when I was in college, I was a theater major, and near the end, my senior year, I'm taking the more advanced theater classes. And one of our teachers teaches us this, soft focus. She didn't teach it to us as a meditation. She taught it to us as a theater exercise. But then she asked us after class that when we went out and we walked to our next class, wherever it may be, and it was a big campus, to practice soft focus. And so I did. And I remember walking, it could be a half a mile or a mile to the next place, practicing soft focus and realizing that for the first time in my life, and I was 21 at the time, that for the first time in my life, I didn't have a mental fantasy running through my head. That for the first time, I was able to actually concentrate and focus on what was happening right here and now. And so that's what I'd like to share a little bit with you. It was very eye-opening for me, and it's a practice that I return back to if I feel a little squirrely in my attention ever. So to get started with this, find a comfortable place to sit, stand, or lie down, and simply breathe in and out through your nose into your abdomen as much as you can. And this meditation actually invites us to keep our eyes open. So now with your eyes open, see if you can rest them right on the horizon. And notice here, if you generally tend to have your eyes resting more down towards the ground or more up towards the sky, see if you can set them right on the horizon. And here's where the soft focus comes into play. As the eyes rest forward on the horizon, begin to become aware of everything on the right side of your peripheral vision from both eyes. But don't let the eyes move. Just invite all of the light and the textures, whatever it is that's lingering out to the right, as far to the right as you can allow and perceive. And now, keep everything to the right in the field of your attention, and simply involve everything over to your left, all the way over your peripheral vision, all the way to the left. Let it all in, the light, the textures, everything. And we'll do the same thing for everything above the horizon. Become aware of your peripheral vision. All the way up, could you see the ceiling or the sky? And without moving your eyes, could you become aware of everything down below? Maybe you see the rest of your body down there, a knee, a foot. Could you see the ground? And as if your vision could wrap all the way around your head, try to become aware of anything that's behind you. So expanding your vision in all directions. And there's a level of focus and concentration in doing this. And let your focus and concentration be in perceiving everything in your vision equally. You're not deciding here that something that you are seeing is more important or more interesting than something else. You can see objects without immediately naming them. They become a little bit fuzzier. And so the next time you find your attention gets a little squirrely, take yourself through 5 minutes of soft focus. You can do this in pretty much any activity except for the activities where you need to be focused on one thing. But you could even do this while driving. You can do this while walking around. And it becomes a lot more interesting when you're actually moving your body through space because what you're looking at is changing. Great job in today's 5-minute meditation. You're welcome to practice any other 5-minute meditations on our channel, or simply turn off the video and prepare for whatever is next in your day. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you soon.